Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Adine. So if you're interested in how I got this design using the new ModelOnes Poly kit, then stay tuned. Alright you guys, so today we're going to be using the ModelOnes kit that I received. I did a whole video unboxing this. I will put it up in the cards so you guys can see it. So today I want to do a full set. Okay, so I want to do a full set using the ModelOnes Polygel kit. Okay, so we have the dual forms right there. Once we pick the size of the dual forms, we're going to prime and dehydrate the nails to get them ready for the application. And today we'll be using the color 014, which comes in the kit. And also I'm using a builder gel that also comes in the kit to apply our slip layer, and this is going to adhere the poly gel to the nails because we want gel to stick to gel. Okay, so I have the slip layer, and then I'm gonna take this little bowl. I'm gonna use some of their slip solution. I like that. It has a little stopper on it. Super cute. Okay, let's see. I think I want, probably the second line right here. I'm gonna do it right there. Alright you guys, so it's been a while since I used dual forms and poly gel and all that stuff. So basically I'm going to squeeze a little bit of the poly gel out, and I'm not going to go past the desired length that I wanted that I showed you earlier. And basically I'm going to just pat the poly gel into the dual form, and you'll know that you'll need to dip your brush into the solution again once the polygel starts sticking to the brush. That means that the brush needs more solution. And then I'm going to drop the form at a 45-degree angle, and I'm going to press it down slightly. You don't want a lot of the gel to come out the sides or underneath. And here I'm doing the same thing. I'm putting a little bit of the gel on the dual form, dropping it at a 45-degree angle, and then making sure it fits from sidewall to sidewall. There's no extra spillage. I'm gonna check the underneath the nail, and if it looks too bulky, I'm going to make it a little bit thinner by using the slip solution and the brush. And after that, it gets pretty repetitive. This set did not come out perfect at all. Like I mentioned before, it's been a while since I used dual forms and polygel, but practice makes perfect, so just keep practicing. This is definitely not the last time you're gonna see polygel in my videos. Once I wear the set for about 2 weeks or so, I'm coming back and I'm going to show you how to do a fill on the actual polygel, so stay tuned for that. Okay, so this is how the nails look. Now we're going to just remove the form off the nail. You can see the little shiny layer, and I show you here in the corner how I didn't put enough gel. But like I said, this is it's been a while since I did this, and I'm just going to refine the shape. We're going to file, we're going to shape her and get all the nails to be the same length and the same shape basically. And I'm going to do that with a hand file as well as a e-file. And a little earlier I was showing you how in the corner of the thumb I didn't put enough gel. So all that you learn with trial and error. So here I'm getting ready to use the ModelOnes file, like I mentioned earlier, and we're just going to shape the nails into the desired shape that we want. At first I thought I wanted oval, but then I changed my mind and I changed them all to square after I literally filed all of them to oval. But here I'm taking my e-file and I'm just blending out the cuticle area to make it nice and smooth. If you notice in the beginning, there was like a little ledge once you remove the dual form, so we're just removing that little ledge and blending everything out. Okay, so once you do that, you clean off the nails with some alcohol, and here I'm using the same builder gel that came in the kit, and I'm going to blend everything out. Basically, I'm adding a little bit of gel on the cuticle area to make everything nice and flush and add extra strength to the nail. And you want to just float the gel onto the cuticle. As you see here, I'm pushing it back towards the cuticle, and then I'm just going to brush it down the length of the nail. Alright, so that's how the nails should look. And I'm using here DNC's color 241, and it's like this pink salmon sparkly color, and I'm going to apply that all over the nails. And then once we do that on all 5 fingers, we're going to stamp, you guys. I'm using a new stamping plate for Maniology. Let me go ahead and grab the stamping plate so I know the number. Okay, so I'm using stamping plate M466, and it's part of their spring collection. My previous video that I just dropped on Wednesday, I will link it on the top. I show you guys everything that came in the spring collection from Maniology, and make sure you use Adine 10 to save some money. So here I'm just dropping the color. I'm going to pick it up with the stamping tool that comes in the spring collection, and I'm just going to drop it on my ring finger as well as my middle finger. Okay, so once you drop the stamping design on the nail, if you get anything on the skin, you could just wipe it off with some acetone. And here I'm showing you how to clean the stamper with a piece of tape, and it just removes whatever's left over. Also, what you could do is you could use a latex glue to put around the cuticle area and the skin, so whenever you stamp, you could just peel it right off, and you don't have to worry about cleaning anything up with any acetone or anything like that. Okay, so I'm going to use Magic's top coat, and I'm going to apply that all over the nails. We're going to cure it, put some cuticle oil, and that pretty much completes the video, you guys. Let me know what you thought of this process. Have you tried polygel before? I'm definitely going to come back and use more polygel because we're going to perfect this technique. Everything that I learned, we're going to learn together. So yeah, you guys, comment down below what else you want to see from me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.